Hi. Do you remember anything that you studied for on an exam from 10th grade, for example, in history? Probably not. Well, the thing is that many people study for language abilities, but in the end, they can't remember what they studied afterwards because we don't learn language by studying. Scientists say that we have two different sides of our brain, the left side, which is more analytical, and the right side, which is more holistic. And the language center of the brain most think is on the right side. So what happens? You study vocabulary, you memorize, you study grammar, but can you speak? No, it doesn't happen. Now everything helps, but if you want to engage in really learning a language, you need to do it the right way. With the narrative method, we go right into what is communication from the beginning. All of our students who study with us begin to read a book with us, or a text, or something that's decided between the teacher and the student. What happens here is the students who have read this text come to the class, the teacher has read the same material. This creates a shared context. With a shared context, something very important for language takes place because it creates what we call comprehensible input. Because while the teacher is explaining and asking, the student understands. Why? Because they've read the same thing. So what happens in this case is what's called internal grammar begins to form inside the student. They're not studying, they're listening to a teacher who is asking things that they understand, which is the most important thing. And then over a period of time, just like children, when they're babies, they are there with their mother listening, but over a period of time, what? They begin to understand what they hear and then produce. We learn the same way. We need to be in a situation where we're understanding what the teacher is saying, and then we are also producing. And over a period of time, you really see the difference. Why don't you try a test class with us? The class is free, and I think you'll see what I'm talking about is really true.